I use Facebook, and I have many IKEA colleagues as Facebook friends. Yesterday, one of them posted a comment about IKEA, saying that he had to go to a competitor to buy his new sofa, because he couldn't find one with that quality at a good price in our range. Well, this is his personal opinion, but it could be seen as a statement from an IKEA representative because he's wearing his staff uniform on his profile picture. Should I explain to him that this could have a negative impact on our brand? Or should I report it to his manager because I know that she doesn't use Facebook? Or maybe I should just leave it anyway because it was just a personal comment he made on his private time. What do you think?